ಓಂ ತಪ್ತಚಾಮೀಕರಾಭಾಜಮನ್ಹಯೇ ವಿಶ್ವಕರ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಸ್ತಮೋಭಿನಿಘ್ನಾಯ ರವಜೇ ಲೋಕಸಾಕ್ಷಿಣೇ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. In this episode, I am talking about the lunar eclipse, Chandragrahana, which is happening on March 14th early morning. First, we'll know the planet positions of the day. Guru will be in Vrishabha Rashi, Mangala will be in Mithuna Rashi, Chandra will be in Simha Rashi, and later he is also moving to Kanya Rashi, and Ketu is in Kanya Rashi. Surya and Shani will be in Kumbha Rashi, and rest of three graphs, Shukra, Buddha and Rahu, there will be in Meena Rashi. These are the planet positions of the day, and the eclipse is happening on Uttara Nakshatra. And when we see the timings for EST, it starts from 2:20 a.m. to 4:48 a.m. Earlier visible starts from 1 o'clock, but the eclipse starts from 2:20. And central timing zone, it starts from 1:20 to 3:48. And Pacific timing zone starts from 11:26 p.m. to 1:48 a.m. These are the eclipse timings as per the timing zone. So the rituals of the Grahana is everyone, whoever possible, they must take a bath before Grahana, and during eclipse, the Grahana, you have to do the Ishtadevata Japa or Devi Japa because of the Chandra Grahana. And once the eclipse is over, you have to take a bath or doing Tarpana. These are things, the rituals of the Grahana. And the negative impact for this Grahana will be for Vrishabha, Simha, Kanya and Makara Rashi, along other two Rashis like Kumbha and Meena also. During the Grahana, please write the 3 shlokas on a paper and recite these shlokas. And once the Grahana is over, take a bath and give dana with dakshina with the paper. Main reason is to remove the Grahana dosha, and the shlokas are Om Yosau Shuladharo Devaha Pinaki Vrishabahanaha Surya Graho Paragotha Grahapidam Vyapohatu Yosau Vajradharo Devaha Adityanam Prabhurmataha Chandragraho Paragotha Grapidam Vyapohatu Yosau Dandadharo Devaha Yamo Mahishavahanaha Chandragraho Paragotha Grahapidam Vyapohatu. Okay, these 3 shlokas they have to write in a paper and give a dana. Doing dana of rice and horse gram is very auspicious. So these are the small view on our eclipse which is coming on March 14th. Namaste.